Beats one.
Most top and promising athletes in the country are currently studying at various tertiary institutions across the country. South Africa's golden boy and golden girl, Wade van Niekerk and Caster Semenya, both shot to prominence whilst at university. 22-year-old swimming sensation Tatiana Schoonmaker was the flag bearer of the South African team at the World Student Games in Napoli, Italy last July. A year earlier, Schoonmaker won 2 gold medals at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in Australia, but the 2020 varsity sport year could hardly start due to the coronavirus pandemic and the national lockdown announced in March.
Also taking into cognizance the fact that sport is not currently taking place, even though we are at level 3 currently, sport is still not taking place. So we looked at the fact that even if we get to a place where sport can be played, we cannot risk taking our students to play competitive sport because they would have not been inactive for a long time. So that in itself will make them prone to injuries.
The main priority now is to rescue the 2020 academic year, which is in line with the initiative taken by the National Department of Higher Education, Science, Technology and Innovation.
We are all affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, and obviously we deal with students, athletes, and they are students before they are athletes. So we felt it necessary that we allow the 2020 academic program to continue smoothly and give students an opportunity just to focus on their academics, because it is important that the academic program gets completed successfully.
USA is keeping its fingers crossed that athletes who study with bursaries or grants will still be taken care of despite the cancellation of the 2020 sport calendar.
Most of our student athletes are on scholarships, and it is my opinion, and I know for a fact that some of the universities will be honoring those contracts, and I will urge those universities that were considering not to honor the student scholarships to do the same, because sport has been cancelled not because of students but because of an act of nature, and in this instance is the COVID-19 pandemic.
Universities play a crucial role in the development of sport in South Africa. Other sporting codes such as rugby, football, netball and cricket have all benefited from the talent discovered at higher learning institutions. Sfiso Ramara, SABC News, Johannesburg.